Hey everyone, Chris Dutton here, and welcome to Microsoft Power BI, up and running with Power BI Desktop. Now, if you're looking for a hands-on, project-based approach to learning business intelligence, you've come to the right place. In this course, you'll be playing the role of lead analyst for AdventureWorks Cycles, a global manufacturing company. Your mission? Design and execute an end-to-end business intelligence solution from scratch. But the good news is, I'll be right there with you, guiding you through the ins and outs of Power BI and sharing crystal clear explanations and helpful pro tips each step of the way. Our journey will begin with an intro to Power BI Desktop and then transition through each phase of the business intelligence workflow. We'll begin by connecting and shaping our source data with Power BI's query editing tools, and then explore concepts like cardinality, normalization, and filter context as we build out a full-scale data model. From there, we'll add calculated columns and measures using data analysis expressions or DAX, and finally take things to the finish line by designing dynamic interactive reports using Power BI's visualization tools. So what do you say? Ready to dive in? Sign up today and get lifetime access to over 10 hours of high-quality video content, downloadable project files and resources, course quizzes and homework assignments, and one-on-one expert support, all backed by a 30-day, 100% guarantee. Thanks again for choosing this course. Now let's get started.